Good morning all of you. How are you all? That we all teachers are hoping that you all are very fine and safe at your homes and you all are doing studies at home. See dear students, do study at home because we teachers are doing lots of hard work to make you teach from school to your home. Okay, and very much effort is given by your computer ma'am, Pooja ma'am, Amit Solanki sir and Amit Mahajan sir. They are doing their best work. Okay, so please do study at your home and don't forget one thing. Whenever you will see the videos, then give your attendance to your class teacher on your WhatsApp group. Once again I will repeat this. Whenever you will watch the videos, please give your attendance to your class teacher on your WhatsApp group. Daily you have to give the attendance so we teachers can maintain our attendance register. Okay, so once again I will repeat the same thing. Please give your attendance regularly to your class teacher on your WhatsApp group. Okay, then now we are going to start chapter number 2. We are going to start chapter number 2, food. Chapter number 2, food. In this chapter, first we will learn different kind of foods. What these two things we are going to learn. First one is different kinds of food and second one is importance of a balanced diet and second is importance of a balanced diet. Okay, so these two things mainly we will learn in this chapter. Now I am going to take out the EVS book and I took out the page number 11. On this page we will first read, then I will explain. First we will read the chapter, then I will explain the chapter. See dear students, when you was in class 1, that time you learnt about the food also. In that class you learnt about the food also. But there were only two categories were there. What are they? They are the vegetarian and the non-vegetarian. Vegetarian and the non-vegetarian. But here we will learn different kinds of food, importance of food and how we can get the food and how we can get the food. Okay, first tell me the meaning of the food. What is food? Okay, food has 2 or 3 types. First is veg food, second is non-veg food and third is these animals giving us the food. Okay, so basically there are 2 or 3 types of foods. Okay, food, first tell me food gives us what? Food gives us what? Food gives us energy. Food gives us energy to work and play. To work and play. So what is the main work of the food? The main work of the food in human body, food give us energy to what? To work and play. Okay, see, you are small, you are a child, you are a kid. So you are wasting your energy to play. ठीक है, you are invest, you are investing your, you are getting the energy from the food, and you are taking the energy to play. Okay, whenever you are feeling very tired, whenever, especially in the summer season, see, when you will, especially in the summer season, when you will go out, then you will feel more thirsty rather than the food. See, some many times you want to drink, many times you want to drink. Why? Because weather is very hot, so that time you will feel thirsty. Sometimes, most of the times you are drinking water, but sometimes you need some juice to get instant energy. See, so sometimes your mama or papa is telling you, take sugar cane juice, take orange juice, take lemon juice. So these all juices are giving us the instant energy. Okay, when you will drink the lemon juice, you will get the energy. When you will get sugar cane juice, yes, sugar is there and sugar is giving us energy. Okay, so whatever we are drinking, whatever we are eating, we get energy. We all get energy. Okay, yes, so food gives us what? First, food gives us energy. You are getting energy from the food. Okay, whether it is the food or it is the juices form. Okay, you are getting energy from all these things, and your body is growing up well when you will have the good healthy habits, or when you will have the good food. See, dear students, now you are a growing up child. You are a growing up child. आप छोटे से धीरे 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 बड़े हो रहे हो. Okay, it means you are a growing up child. And when you will eat healthy food, then you will grow up fast. Okay, sometimes I have seen some small students, they are not having good heights. Why? Because I don't think so they are taking the healthy foods. Okay, I don't think so they are eating more bananas, they are drinking more milk, that's why they are not having their good heights. But when you will get the good heights, when you will have the good heights, when you will eat all type of food, all type of vegetables, all type of fruits, all the milk product, then you will get the definitely energy, plus you will grow up fast. So this is the explanation of your chapter and these two lines, and this is the explanation of this food and explanation of these two lines. Okay, once again I will read this so you can understand very nicely. See, if I will read fast, if I will explain fast, then this is a video class. So sometimes some students cannot understand nicely. That's why we are repeating the things slowly and again and again and again and again. Okay, see, food gives us, when we feel hungry, first when we feel hungry, we definitely wants to eat something or else. Okay, then we will eat the food. Or sometimes sometimes we need instant energy, then we will what? We will get, mama will provide you the juices, different type of juices like sugar cane juice, lemon juice, glucose juice and the pomegranate juice. Yes, pomegranate juice जिसको हम अनार का जूस कहते हैं, it gives you instant energy, तुरंत ताकत देता है. Okay, so when we feel hungry, we eat food. Okay, food gives us what? Food gives us energy. Food gives us energy. Okay, and food gives us energy to work. Food gives us, when we will eat healthy foods, I will get the energy to work more properly. Okay, when your father, your mother, or your brother and sister, all the elders of your family, when they will have their food, they will get the energy to work. Okay, and when you will eat the food, you will get the energy to वर्क एंड प्ले. काम करने के लिए भी ताकत आपको मिलेगी, खेलने के लिए भी और साथ में पढ़ने के लिए भी. बट जब आपके मम्मी पापा या हम लोग फूड लेते हैं तो हमें एनर्जी मिलती है हमारे काम करने के लिए. सपोज व्हेन योर मम्मा विल ईट द फूड, देन मम्मा विल गेट एनर्जी टू वर्क हाउस होल्ड वर्क्स. उनको घर के काम करने के लिए ताकत मिलती है, आपको संभालना, आपकी पढ़ाई देखना. ओके, और बहुत सारे ऐसे घर में काम होते हैं जो मम्मा को एनर्जी की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है. एंड देन योर पापा विल हैव सम फूड, डेफिनेटली ही विल गेट द एनर्जी टू वर्क इन द ऑफिस, टू वर्क ऑन द शॉप्स. ओके, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? एंड when you will eat something, you will get the energy to study, you will get the energy to play. Okay, you will need more energy rather than the us. Why? Because you are a growing up child. You are a growing up child. So food gives us what? Food gives us energy. So underline the word hungry, energy, growing and healthy and fit. Underline these 4 and 5 words of the chapter, which is hungry, energy, growing and healthy and fit. Healthy and fit. Okay, so underline these words. Underline these words which has given in line number 1 and line number 2. Underline these words because these words are new in the lesson. These words are new in the lesson, so underline these words. H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. Hungry we called in Hindi भूख लगना. We called in Hindi भूख लगना. Feeling hungry, भूख का महसूस होना. Okay, energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. Energy means we call energy in Hindi ताकत. We call energy in Hindi ताकत. Okay, energy to work, energy to play, energy to study. So this energy word means we are getting ताकत from the food. Okay, and G-R-O-W-I-N-G, growing. G-R-O-W-I-N-G, growing. Growing means बढ़ना. See, now when you was in class, when you was in nursery, that time you was very little. When you will came in LKG, then your height will increase. Then you will came in UKG, then your automatically height is increased. Then you will come in class first, then your height is increased. Now you are in class 2. See, so your height is quite good for class 2. See, growing means बढ़ना. Growing means बढ़ना. When you was in class nursery, that time your height was too small. Now you are in class 2, so your height is according to your class, according to your age. Okay, height and personality always should according to your class or according to your age. Okay, so growing means बढ़ना, growing means बढ़ना. Okay, then healthy and fit, then healthy and fit. Okay, so these all: one, hungry; second, energy; third, growing; fourth, healthy and fit. So underline these 4 words and try to learn the spellings of these words and try to learn the spellings of these words. So when you will solve the exercise, then you will not face any problem. Okay, so first, when we will feel hungry, we need food and we all eat food. Okay, food gives us energy to work, food gives us energy to play, or especially food makes you a growing up child. Okay, when you will eat healthy food, when you will drink, when you will eat all the milk product like milk, curd, okay, buttermilk and all, definitely your height will increase and your muscles will be strong. Okay, so and food keeps us healthy and fit. But which type of food keeps us healthy and fit? Which type of which types of food keep us healthy and fit? Which type of food keep us healthy and fit? Which type of food? Yes, when we will eat junk food, then we will get good body. Huh? Then when we will eat healthy food, like all types of vegetables, all type of fruits, all type of grains and the all type of milk product. Okay, then we will get fit and healthy body. Then we will get fit and healthy body. And fit and healthy body, when we are fit physically, then our mind will work nicely and we can able to do everything. See, sometimes some students always they are telling to us in the classroom, ma'am, my stomach is aching. Okay, ma'am, my stomach is aching, मेरा पेट दुख रहा है. Why is it so? ऐसा क्यों होता है? Because you are not taking the healthy food. Okay, you are not interested to take healthy food. Okay, and one more thing, always eat on time. Okay, try to take your lunch near about 12 o'clock. Then try to take your dinner at least between 7 to 8 p.m. at night. Okay, so fix the time of your lunch, your dinner and your breakfast. We learn all these things in our next lectures. So which type of food keeps us healthy and fit? So healthy food, all types of vegetable, all types of milk product, all types of fruits, all types of grains makes us healthy. Okay, now I am going to see, I am hoping that you are underlining all these 5 words with me. Okay, now I am going to explain this part of the book. Okay, yes, now we eat different kind of food. Yes, we eat different kinds of food. See, always we are not eating the same kinds of the food. We are not eating the same same kinds of foods. We always eating different kinds of foods. When your mama will prepare daily khichdi for you, then you will get definitely bored. Okay, when your mama will prepare daily same grains or same vegetable to you, then you definitely will get bored and you will lose your interest to eat food. Okay, that's why we all are eating different kinds of foods, and different kinds of food gives us different things. When we will eat different types of food, then we will get different types of vitamin, protein, minerals, fibers and all. Okay, when we will eat same kinds of food, we will not get same type of the energy. Okay, so always eat different kinds of food, so you will get all the vitamin, protein, minerals and all which is required to your body, Okay, so this is the explanation of these two lines. First, when we will feel hungry, we eat what? Yes, when we will feel hungry, we eat food. Okay, but when we will feel hungry, then please always try to eat healthy foods. Okay, it makes your body strong. जब भी बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगे तो कोशिश करो कि हेल्दी खाना ही खाना है. Okay, why? Because healthy foods help us to grow your body. And food gives us you what? Food gives us you energy to work and play. It helps our body to grow up. It's help our body to growing well. Okay, food keeps us healthy and fit. See, dear students, there are some pictures is in your book. So I am going to read the names of the food over here. Okay, in this bread, milk, fish, all types of vegetables, all type of grains, butters and all types of fruits. Okay, so all the time you have to eat all types of food. See, different kinds of food. We will learn about this in our next lecture. Kinds of different foods. In this category, there are three types of food. First is energy giving food, second is bodybuilding food, and third is protective food. We all will learn about these things in our next lecture. Okay, so I am going to finish my lecture, but I have one request to your parents. Please, after watching the videos, give your attendance to your class teacher on your WhatsApp group. This makes easier to us all, so we can take your attendance regularly. So dear parents, please, after watching the videos, give your attendance. Like Anvesh Misra, class 2nd Diamond, I attended the class. Okay, so we can make our attendance register. We can maintain our attendance register. So bye bye from my side. Tomorrow we will meet with the paragraph number 2, different kinds of food. Okay, so before coming to the class, try to read the chapter. Okay, bye. Thank you and have a nice day. Keep study, stay home, stay safe.